Did you know that online forms are used everywhere now? You can use them for contact forms, surveys, customer feedback, job applications, registrations, payments, quizzes, and even other forms. But here is the problem. Not all form builders are made equal. Some are easy to use but too basic. Some are powerful but very expensive. And some have free plans that are almost unusable because the response limits are too low. So, in this video, I am ranking some of the best online form builders based on 4 things. I will be looking at pricing, form experience, editor experience, and other features. We will compare forms.app, Jotform, Typeform, Google Forms, and Fillout. My name is Pat. If you are ready, let's get started. My first pick is forms.app, and I think this is the best overall value right now. The main reason is the free plan. With forms.app, you'll get unlimited responses, unlimited team members, all 30 plus form fields, access to thousands of templates, AI form creation, and modern form layouts. For many creators, educators, small businesses, and teams, this is already enough to start collecting real data without paying immediately. The form experience is also very smooth. You can use the classic list view, where all questions are shown in a normal form layout. Or you can switch to a step view, which creates a more conversational one question at a time experience. That is useful for surveys, lead forms, quizzes, and onboarding forms. The editor is also very user-friendly. You can drag and drop fields, customize the design, add logic, and preview everything easily. Forms.app includes a lot of advanced tools such as conditional logic, answer piping, also called recalling answers, multilingual forms, save as draft and continue later, drop-off analysis, partial responses, spam protection, custom notification, and custom PDF generation. I will show you in my next video how to use all of these. And because you also get unlimited team members, it is a very good option if you are working with team or managing forms for clients. So, for pricing, features, ease of use, and form experience, forms.app is one of the strongest options. Number 2 is Jotform. Jotform is one of the most feature-rich form builders available. If you want a tool that can be almost anything, Jotform is definitely powerful. It has tons of widgets, templates, payment options, integrations, and advanced features. But there are a few downsides. The free plan has response limits, and team collaboration is usually not as accessible unless you are on a higher tier or enterprise plans. Jotform also has limits around form views, which is something you should pay attention to. If you expect a lot of traffic, the form experience is okay, but visually, some form can feel a little outdated compared to more modern tools. The editor is powerful, but because there are so many features, it can feel complex and overwhelming, especially for beginners. So, Jotform is great if you need a very feature-heavy platform, but it may not be the best option if you want something simple, modern, and gorgeous on the free plan. Number 3 is Typeform. Typeform is famous for its beautiful one question at a time form experience. The user experience is excellent. Forms feel clean, interactive, and professional. The editor is also well designed and easy to understand. But the biggest issue with Typeform is pricing. It is one of the more expensive form builders, and the free plan is very limited with only small number of responses. Also, Typeform mainly focuses on the conversational layout, so if you want a traditional list style form, it may not be as flexible. So, Typeform is great for polished survey and lead forms, but if you need better value, unlimited responses, or more layout flexibility, forms.app is stronger. Please subscribe to support me. Also click on the like button so that YouTube will push this video to many other persons. Google Form is number 4 and the simplest option on this list. It is completely free, very easy to use, and perfect for basic forms, schools survey, quizzes, or internal feedback. It also works nicely with Google Sheets. But compared to dedicated form builders, it is limited. Customization is basic, branding options are limited, and it doesn't include many advanced features like drop-off analysis, modern layout, advanced design control, or professional form experience. So, Google Forms is good for simple use cases, but not ideal if you want your forms to look professional or support more advanced workflows. Finally, in number 5, we have Fillout. Fillout is a strong modern form builder with balanced pricing and useful features. It can handle many business use cases, and the forms look pretty good. The editor is powerful, although in some cases it can feel a bit cramped depending on what you are building. Feature-wise, it has enough for most businesses, and it is a solid alternative to Jotform and Typeform. But again, compared to forms.app, the free plan is not as generous when it comes to unlimited submissions and team collaborations. So, Fillout is a very good tool, but for the best value, forms.app still comes out ahead. Here is the ranking table. You can just pause the video and look at them one after another. Now, in my final recommendation, what is the best online form builder? If you need the most basic free plan, I would recommend that you use Google Forms. If you want the most feature-heavy platform, then you will have to look at Jotform. If you want premium conversational forms, Typeform is great, but it is expensive. If you want a modern all-round option, go and try out Fillout. It is solid. But if you want the best value, my recommendation is forms.app. You will get unlimited responses, unlimited team members, modern layouts, AI for creation, advanced analytics, conditional logic, and many professional features even on the free plan. For creators, educators, businesses, and teams. That makes forms.app one of the best online form builders to try. Would you like to try forms.app? Check the link in the description box below and test it for yourself. I will also do a complete video to show you the workflow. The link to the complete tutorial can be found in the description box below. Let me have your thoughts in the comment section. Remember to subscribe and also like this video so that YouTube will show it to many others. I will see you on the next one. Keep learning.